Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm back with another FabFitFun monthly beauty edit box. This one is for February 2026. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the February 2026 beauty edit box by FabFitFun has arrived. If you've missed my last few videos, FabFitFun is now doing a monthly beauty box. There's 4 items per box, each category you get to choose. And I'm not gonna lie, I was a little disappointed in the choices for me personally because it was a lot of stuff either that I did not want, I don't need, I don't use, or I already have. So it was a little harder for me to choose my box this time, but you know what? At least I got to choose it all. So I'm so thankful for that. These boxes are only $29.99 per month with free US shipping for full-size products, and it's supposed to have a retail value normally of $150 or higher, depending on what you choose. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is their monthly beauty box, curated in California. So am I. So when we dive in, let me cut the tape. Actually, you can't open the box without doing that. So let's go ahead and remove the tape. Then I'm gonna go ahead and show you each category, what you could choose between all of the different options, and then I'll show you what I chose. But this is how it looks when you open it up. And a sneak peek to my products are right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with category number 1. All of the different items you could choose from will be Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This is valued for $29. Summer Fridays Shade Drops Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Mineral Milk Sunscreen. This is valued for $36. Or Drunk Elephant Bronzy Drops with Peptides. Those are valued at $39. So actually that one, there was only 3 different choices that I saw when I went to choose anyways. And again, I don't need a sunscreen because I have so many. I don't use the bronzing drops, and I already have this product right here. If you guys did see, my man got me for Christmas like a whole entire set. I think it was like a vault or something or other, and so I still have this. I don't really use a face mist product that much. I think I've maybe only used it once or twice, so I still have the full thing. So I'm not sure if I'll save this or just put this in a future giveaway so one of you guys can actually enjoy it as well. But again, I already have it, but from the other 2, this is what I chose. Again, this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, valued for $29. And if you want to see what it looks like this. And then you have your spray down here and it sits like that. But again, I already have it. So this, I'm not sure what I will do with, but I had to choose something. So that's why I said it was a little disappointing this time. But however, I do still love that you customize the entire box. So if it's not for me, it'll go for one of you guys. So there's that item. So all of the different items you can choose for category number 2 will be Soul Gazer Mascara in color Hypnotize Black, valued for $28. Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Eyeliner Stick. This is in color Panther Rich Black, valued for $34. Soul Gazer Eyeliner. This is in color Gravitate, which is a creamy beige matte, valued for $24. Or the Clean Line Gel Liner. This is from Ela Beauty, valued for $26. So for those, I have so many different eyeliners and all of that stuff. So this time I went ahead and just chose the one from Bobbi Brown. I don't think I've ever used anything really from Bobbi Brown. Maybe like a lipstick or I think I have one thing, but I don't think it's this. I know it's not this. So I went ahead and chose the Bobbi Brown Long Wear Cream Eyeliner Stick, valued for $34. I use black eyeliner every day I do my makeup. So I thought out of those, I guess, I'll choose something that I will use. It's a nice, thicker little package here. Oh, it's definitely like a thicker crayon. Do you push it up? Yes, you do. You roll up. Doom, 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 doom. So that is the eyeliner that I chose. Again, it's by Bobbi Brown in color black. So all of the different items you can choose for category number 3 will be Pat McGrath Labs Divine Cream Blush Legendary Glow Color Bomb in Paradise Peony, which is a warm pink coral color, valued for $29. There's a wet lip oil gloss. This is in 3 different shades, all a 0.15 ounce, and all 3 are valued at $24. So for that one, I kind of had no choice but to choose a lip oil because I don't do blush. So I chose the one that has like a clear, there's no color to it. So I chose the Jellyfish Glossy Clear Transparent, because I do use lip oils, anything like that, just with color, I don't grab. So when I saw there was like colorless, I'm like, okay, at least there's that. Ooh, it's a cute little package though, the way like the little lid is shaped. And this is what it looks like. It says lip oil, wet is wet. It's gonna get you wet and juicy. I don't smell anything, and it feels nice. It has a nice little, you know, like little shine to it, but it definitely feels good on my lips. So I'm glad for that. So I have a lip oil. Again, this one here was the clear. You could have chose in 2 other colors other than the clear or that blush. And I chose this one, again, valued for $24. All right, you guys, so the last and final category, category number 4, all of the different options will be Origins Ginger Souffle Whipped Body Cream. This is a 3.4 ounce, valued for $25. Salt and Stone Body Lotion. It is a 3.40 ounce, valued for $40. Or you can choose from the Tone Gummies. It's a 0.29 ounce bottle, valued for $30. And for that one, if you know anything with moisture, I'm all for. So I went ahead and chose the Origins Ginger, what was this one? The Whipped Body Cream, valued for $25. So this is what it looks like. And I'm really excited to see if it's gonna smell, if it's gonna smell like ginger. Yes. It's like a botanical like ginger, kind of like a woodsy ginger. It smells really, really good. She's thick. Ooh, she's thick. Let me see about on my arms, because I love a good moisture like on my tattoos to keep them nice and, oh, it smells so good. Vibrant. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. And it is a really like strong scent. Like my whole nose is just like, boom, all these senses are going off because I smell it like that much. A lot of lotions and stuff like that, it's like a subtle scent. This one definitely is a stronger scent to it. I'm all for it. I love it. It smells really good. It smells really good. Like a woodsy ginger, like definitely. I like that. And again, that is valued for $25, so almost the price of the entire box. So I'm definitely keeping these 3. Definitely pays for my $29.99 box that includes free US shipping. And then this I'll either be hanging on to as a backup or putting in a future giveaway for one of you guys. But this is what I chose for my February 2026 FabFitFun Beauty Edit Box. Okay, you guys, so that is what I chose. Again, would you have chose the same products? Do you get this box? Do you want to get this box? Definitely let me know down below. I would love to hear from you. I already told you the pricing, $29.99 for this box, free US shipping. I will have them listed in the description box down below if you'd like to pop on over and check them out. Sign up for this one or their seasonal box. You can't go wrong with either one of them. I love FabFitFun. I always tell you guys that. That's why I have been a member myself for several years, and I was so excited when they came out with a monthly box because it's cheaper. You can cancel it anytime. You still get to choose all of the products inside. So to me, it's like a win-win, but let me know your thoughts down below. If you'd like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.